The Rainforest Cages, Chile, an ideal home for smaller birds such as Budgie, cockatiels, conure and Senegal parrots. An open top cage with a large access door to the front and secure feeder doors to the side. A spacious cage with litter grill and easy pull-out tray. It also has a small bar spacing, so it's ideal for smaller birds. Easy to wheel around the house and is a roomy home for small to medium-sized birds. This cage also has a zinc and toxin-free paint and a smooth high-quality powder-coated finish. The Rainforest Cages, Chile. A strong and durable cage ideal for your pet birds and parrots.